What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we hit up Maijer's and scored some solid mix of retail fire. Here's what we're going to rip today so we can see what's in there. They had the Phoenix Mega Box. That's fairly new, out the last couple days. Resurgence came out a couple weeks ago. We got the Bowmans. We got this metal tin. So I wanted everybody to see what was really in these retail boxes so you can see what you can score. Is it worth anything? The last 6 videos have all been cases we bought from wholesalers, and this is right from Maijer's. So this Bowman box, 35 bucks. I got a love-hate with Bowman. I think they got some cool cards, but I haven't been able to get anything worth anything in this box. You know, this box got 12 card packs, 6 packs per box. You know, the last Bowmans we opened up were a loser, but let's see. Start over again. So they're all from Maijer's now. Boom. Marcus Seaman, James Wood, Sergino. I mean, it's a good card, rookie. It's not numbered though. Dead off to the side. Jacob Wright, Chase Mobley, Chrome Refractor, decent card, few bucks. Luke's a decent card, few bucks. Nothing huge there. You know, 35 bucks. All we're trying to do is cover the 35 bucks. Is it worth it or it isn't worth it? Ben Rice, good player. Card's not worth that much, and at least not that one. Alvarez, Ramirez. Leo's card's probably worth $3. San Keys, Rodriguez, Chrome. Couple dollar cards. Nothing big there. Okay. Yeah. Ozzy, Zach, Lindor, Gonzalez, Hentz, Burns, James Tibb III, Chrome, Chrome, Whitecomb, Lee, Skeens. I mean, Skeens card may be worth a couple bucks. It's just a plain card. Nothing that's big time on it. You know, move my light over a little bit. Seems like I'm getting some sheen on the card. Manning, Julio, Martz, Bryce Reiner, Garcia, Samuel. Nothing big there. Garcia. I don't want to move too fast so you guys can see what's there. But a lot of base cards. I'm not a big fan of opening packs that have a ton of base cards. Just seems like a waste of trees. You know, they're not good players. They're not worth anything. Overproduced. Why do it? Seems like a lot of extra work. Kim. Dang. I mean, it's base card. He's a good player. Base card. Probably not worth nothing. That's a pretty cool card. Not numbered. Rookie card. Amador. Santana. Ching. King. Miller. Campbell. Bates. A lot of base cards. Base cards. Hernandez, Carroll, Cole Emerson. I mean, it's a cool card, but it's only worth a few bucks. Thomas White, Travis, Lewis. There's Chrome, Peyton Ellis, Kate Horton. I mean, that's a good card. It's probably the most valuable card out of the set. Lawrence Butler. All right, so there you go. Did we get 35 bucks out of the blister box from Walmart? Most likely not. But cool opening it, sharing it with you guys. Now these are the new Topps football. We opened the other Topps the other day, the new signature series. We're a little bit more than this, obviously. We hit Caleb Williams signed. This one here doesn't want to open for me because I'm trying to open it wrong. Very similar to the Bowmans, made by Topps, right? Let's see. I didn't dig into these Resurgence because it was too many base cards for me, but just couldn't help myself at Target. See what was in there. You know, Kurt Warner, solid player. Cards look cool. Chad Johnson, Coleman, Maijer. So, rookie card. Ed McCaffrey, that's a good card. James. Glamour and Glid, Emmitt Smith. Maybe worth something. Anthony Gold. Marshall Falk, great player. Taylor, Bernard, Benson. Cards feel nice though. They actually feel like quality cards. Got some chromes in there. Bettis, George. Nabbers. I'm looking to see if it's a numbers card. It's a rookie card. It's cool. Jenkins. Probably did better on football cards than he did baseball cards, and there's more of them. Joe Montana, solid player, obviously. Campbell, Archie Manning, that's cool. Look at that refractor card. That's pretty cool. Michael Pratt, good player. And these are Topps Resurgence. You know, Topps is trying to jump into the baseball scene. Barry Sanders, Michael Irving, Polk, Breakers. It's a nice card too. Ozzie Newsome, nothing numbered yet. Thomas, Michael Vick, Peyton Manning. Just sent some of this out to get graded. Worthy, that's a nice card. Chrome. Last pack. Christian, Jerry Rice, great player. Kurt Warner. McConkey. Alright, so there's those Resurgence cards. Okay, the best. Alright, so let's do this. Let's do this tin. I had to buy this tin. I got a son that loves little things like this. He wanted me to buy it for him. It's got 2 Optic packs, 1 Mosaic, and 1 Select. But the Select is from 2023. Tin is cool. Alright, so let's open the 2 Optics. Let's start with those. Chris, Davis, Bo Nix, rookie. That's a good card. That's a good hit right there. Washington, good player. That's a good hit too. The refractor card's going to be a little bit more than the Washington card's going to be. But Bo Nix is a good hit there. Sutton, Robinson Jr., Jordan Love. That's another good hit. Alright. So now, this is the 24 Mosaic. Alright. Ramsey, Smith, National Pride Brown, maybe. Mike, there you go, what's that? Verse. Brian Thomas Jr., rookie card, maybe. And I could win 2 tickets to Super Bowl. Well, maybe. I'll go, never been to a Super Bowl. Always too expensive to get down there. Alright, so now we got the Phoenix. Oh, hang on. Got the Select. I'm jumping the gun. I was getting excited to open these Phoenix cards as it came out. So, the Select. Ooh. Beckman Jr. That's a beautiful card there. Tank Dow. Rookie card for Dunham. It's a nice card there. Brandon. I mean, he's doing all right. Maybe it was all okay. The tin, I think, was $30 for that tin. Now we're on the Phoenix. Phoenix is the most out of all of this thing, but $60 for this Phoenix box. Got mega box. To be fair, it's a Phoenix mega box. 7 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Normally, again, I usually open cases because they got case hits. But we're just hanging around over there where the wife was shopping. We decided to check out the baseball card aisle. It was just fully restocked because we were there the other day and it didn't have almost nothing. So let's dig in. What do we got? Boom. Keegan Allen, Drake London, David, Mac, Rookie Rising, Nabbers, not bad. Bucky Irving, maybe. Bucky Irving's rookie card's a good card. I don't know about for the Phoenix stuff. You know, these are licensed, so they're going to have logos on them, right? Barrow, Montgomery, Spears, Jacobs, purple. Doug Williams, Gary Clark, maybe. Jonathan Brooks, Trevon Sanders, rookie card, purple. I always have good luck with Panini's brand, so I don't know if it's because it's almost their last year with their license, if they don't get it worked out. Waddle, Hunter, Walker, McKinley, Mitchell, Indianapolis Colts, rookie card, Tours, Lou, Robinson Refractor. Probably did best in these boxes. No wonder why they're $60. Herbert, Smith, Singleton, TJ Watts. Latu, rookie card. Backers. Oh. Few cards in there. Pickles, Ward, Bates III, Stevenson, Caleb Williams, Contour, rookie card. Worth something, I bet. Mitchell, Laster. Last pack. See what we get. Adams. Thibodex. Maybe I got that wrong. Barkley. There's a refractor. Patrick Mahomes. Should be worth something right there. Jeremy Burton, raising rookie. Robinson, refractor rookie card. Jared Verse, rookie card. So I think that Phoenix probably pulled the best cards out of it. They had some good cards in there. The design looks good. Quality seems to be pretty thick. They're nice cards. And then the next one I would say would be that can with the different cards in it. The tops and the Bowmans, not really that much. You know, that's my experience though with tops and Bowman is the cards, you don't get what you pay for them, man, nowhere close. At least with Panini, you might not make a lot of money, or the cards might not be worth more, and that's not what everybody's doing it for. They're not all doing it for money, doing it for rips, hobbies, you know, collections, things like that. But it's nice that when you go out there and you grab a product, that the value that's in what you're buying is relatively equal to what you're paying for it, versus buying something for $35 and getting $5 worth of cards in it every time. That just seems to be my experience. I did get in the top signature. We did get the Caleb Williams auto on it, you know, which carried that whole case. But the Panini brand, we've been doing a lot better with when we break them. So thanks for watching. Next, I think we're going to break another case of the National Treasures, unless somebody wants to buy them, and then we'll move into Flawless next week. Thanks for watching. Have a good holiday.